Hi, this is Kylie, and this is my final enhancement. So I will start by showing the first name cookie after a client registers. Easter Bunny. Okay, and my first name cookie is displayed on my homepage. Easter, and you can see here I have the first name cookie with Easter. Going back to my page, I can log in. I'm just going to log in my account. On my homepage, it no longer shows that. It shows my new welcome greeting on all pages, and there is no more first name cookie. So now I'll show that this is clickable. It takes you to the account page, the admin page, and if I log out, it takes me back to the home page, and now that welcome sign is no longer there in any view. And if I go to the product detail page, I cannot leave a review because I'm no longer logged in, but it does direct me here to the login. I'll go ahead and log in again. And now I can leave a review. So I'll go ahead and leave a review now. This is a review for the final enhancement video. Thank you for sharing your review. And here it is right here, April 9th. This is a review for the final enhancement video. And it's database. And go to my reviews table. Right here. This is a review for the final enhancement video with the product ID, which is a small bomb, 16, and client ID is 5. Okay, going back to website. So here is reviews for this particular product. This one just shows this one review for this product. So they are all there by the product. And in the admin page, it's just the client's personal reviews. The option to modify or delete. So I'm going to go ahead and modify this latest video or review for this video. Add a couple exclamation points there. Update. Successfully updated. And there we see the exclamation points. I can go back to that review. Now it has exclamation points. And refresh my database. And it has the exclamation points. Now I'm going to go ahead and delete that same review. Delete. Are you sure you want to delete? Yep. Okay. And it is no longer there. And I can go back to my thing here. No longer there. Go back to my database. No longer there. Okay, oh, now for validation, I'll just validate this page right here. No errors. And validate this one. No errors. And let's do validation for the CSS here. No errors. And let's just do it for this one too. No errors. So I think that's about it. Thanks so much for watching.